let's fucking do this. All right, you ready? Video 565, 565. Let's look at this. And so in function boilerplate down here, we have this function assert range. It now takes an optional error message parameter. I thought I was going to use this, decided not to. We changed all of the errors to logs. That's what has changed here. And then I added this new section. No traceback message was a mistake. If we're within bounds, we're going to do nothing. Otherwise, we're going to log the optional error message if it exists, and then we're going to yell if the optional error message exists, and then finally we're going to throw an error that you done fucked up, you royal fool, okay? Now in TileBoy, in the TileBoy function section, we have edited TileBoy layer v16 and AM6 to U32. This is a bit packing function, and I added these asserts right here in the if error checking is on section, and then down here, I added this debug section right here to check and make sure this is not negative, and then here's where the problem was. We added these unsigned right shifts to these equations, and now the problem is gone. It's JavaScript. What the fuck do you expect? Then down here, we have another section of debug code that helped me find where things were going wrong. In TileFed editor U32, where we take the editor state and convert it to a U32 binary tile value, I believe we added, we added some asserts there. So in this call the tile packer section. Okay, what else do we add? In TileFed editor put, where we take the editor state and put a tile into the tile map, what do we add here? Oh, we added unique messages to these asserts. So these asserts were here previously, but now they just have unique tags to locate where things are going wrong. What else? Okay, that's it. Here is our footnotes and stuff, and then, you know, we've been adding unique strings every time we deploy because deploying takes so fucking long that I need to go into the debugger and see if I've actually deployed by checking for unique strings, and don't think too hard about those. I'm just shitposting, okay? Like, subscribe, send money in the mail. I'm Kanji Coder. If you want a shorter explanation, go here to the faster advanced playlist on the Kanji Coder channel. You are here on Ninja Coder. If you just want technical demos, you can go here to Weeb Coder. Source code is here. You can email me here. I am Kanji Coder, and I'm working on Atomic Ivy MMO. Atomic Ivy MMO, a fully destructible fractal geometry game built in JavaScript from the ground up. We're not using any fucking libraries, and, well, we are using UPNG, but that's it, because PNG is hard. PNG format is fucking hard. Like and subscribe.